and a desire to make a difference. To our school principal, Madam Maria Elena K. Pasas, to my fellow teachers, to our barangay captain, Honorable Jesus Neri Sr., together with the counselor, Honorable Lydia Espina, GPTA officers, and homeroom PTA officers. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to one and
Good
all.
morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Today we gather here in this platform to witness a momentous event. Welcome to our virtual induction and oath-taking ceremony of our GPTA, HRPTA, and faculty officers for this school year 2020-2021. Before we start with, may I request everyone to mute their microphone and kindly focus in the screen for the singing of Philippine national anthem and opening prayer through an audio-video presentation.
Mom sounds.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiging sa sinakaman at puso sa higit mo'y buhay. Lumang pinilang, wilkamang magiging sa magtutulog. Pinapasisipin ang nakakalalang tugon sa simula sa aming pagkakas. Ay pinatas nila ang sa pagkakatinaan. Ang sa katawan mo'y matuloy na natin. Makitubig at parang lang ay ganitong ay natubig. Lumalang ang ating pagsinta. Ay natin sa Pilipinas. Ang ligaya ng may pagkain, ang pagkain ng dahil sa'yo. United we stand, divided we fall. Put our trust in the melody of harmony in every heart. Just shows the way, help us see. One of comes love is the key. Shares love, we are one. We are one body, one people. United we stand, divided we fall. It's what put our trust in the helping melody of harmony in every heart. Melody of harmony in every heart. With one body, one people, united we stand, divided we fall. We put our trust in the happy melody of harmony.
Thank you very much. And you may now take your seats and find place in there where you think it is more comfortable for you. Sit back and relax as we start our ceremony. To spread the red carpet of welcome, may I call in our very own school principal, Mom Maria Elena Quezon Casas, for her welcome address. Let's give her a virtual round of applause, please.
According to Martin Luther King, we may have all come on different ships, but we're in the same boat now. So our barangay captain, Honorable Justin Neri, barangay councilors of Giso, my dear teachers and parents of Mayor A.S. Fortuna Memorial Elementary School, happy Sunday to you all.
Happy Sunday po.
We are
Happy Sunday
yes.
to all.
We are indeed in the same boat now, for we have the same goal to give our learners, your children, the best educational experience. Though we are in the In the time of crisis now, their education must go on. With your help, let us work together. Teachers and parents have different responsibilities. With you as parents to your children and as teachers to our learners. But we can help each other to work on the best results. So today, I would like to thank you for accepting this responsibility of being the elected officers. Congratulations to each and every one of you, and I'm looking forward for your full support. With this, I would like to spread the red carpet to welcome you all in this Parent Teachers Association induction program. Good morning.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for that warm words of welcome. At this point, I am going to present to you the newly elected officers for the school year 2020-2021, starting up with the GPTA officers. President, Wona Carolasan. Vice President, Eric Calandria. Secretary, Ovet Sandoval. Treasurer, Elena Garces. Assistant Treasurer, Ivy Marie Munghit. Auditor, Romeo Gigantana. Public Relation Officer, Manuel Romero. And Annalisa Balsta. Sergeant at Arms, Melanie Emeline Villarin. Board of Directors, we have Sir Louis D. Sanlad, Moises E. Menderico, Joanne C. Clarinho, Marilu L. Basilisco, and Francis Ann Paje. Up next, faculty officers for this school year 2020-2021, starting up with the President, Moises E. Menderico, Vice President, Louis G. Sanlad, Secretary, Lidinisa C. Sanchez, Assistant Secretary, Jose Egbert E. Ortizela, Treasurer, Lenita M. Villamor, Assistant Treasurer, Angelito L. Basilisco, Auditor, Francis Ann S. Paquet, Public Relations Officer, Vivian P. Solamo, Lucita P. Cataraha, Sergeant at Arms, Carmen G. Basha, and Ma'am Mary Grace D. Abelio. Up next, interim PTA officers starting up with kindergarten Amity A. President, Uvet Sandoval. Vice President, Jefferlita Opio. Secretary, Sheila T. Sala. Treasurer, Richie P. Pino. Auditor, Roslyn C. Anter. PRO, Hervey Jr. B. Marfa and Sergeant at Arms, Cheryl T. Lacat. Kinder Amity B, President, Ivy Marie Monge, Vice President, Cello B. Ortiz, Secretary, Julian S. Muracan, Treasurer, Carmila E. Silaton, Auditor, Ruby Ann S. Bracero, PRO, Monica Lucenio, and Sergeant at Arms, May Rainey L. Llanos. Kindergarten Bride A, President, Laorni M. Paragusa, Vice President, Maria Jessa R. Salcido, Secretary, Velma M. Salcido, Treasurer, Christine Gipzano, Auditor, Lisa C. Paragusa, PRO, Harold B. Agkang, Sergeant at Arms, Sheila T. Ragaza. Kinder Amity B, Kinder Bright B, President, Maria Aisha Pereza, Vice President, Miriam O. Caminade, Secretary, Richelle N. Fuentes, Treasurer, Ruchelin L. Icon, Auditor, Stephanie T. Valcorza, PRO, Jacinto G. Vergara, and Sergeant at Arms, Divine Grace T. Kindergarten Charm School, President, Selma V. Mangoba, Vice President, Josephine Joy Abajo, Secretary, Jennifer M. Ludwig, Treasurer, Joseph T. Laplana, Auditor, Giselle T. Gadan, PRO, Noreen Flores, and Sergeant at Arms, Christy L. Reina. Kindergarten Farm President, Nika P. Mercado, Vice President, Albert T. Solbon, Secretary, Flora May Dubs, Treasurer, Valeria D. Delgado, Auditor, Rodeline M. Cumero, PRO, Julian Mula, Sergeant at Arms, Ruby D. Paco. Grade 1 Generosity, Advisor, General President, President S. Abukal, Vice President, Cheryl G. Rosal, Secretary, Richie V. Marfa, Treasurer, Jacinta B. Bautista, Auditor, Annalyn I. Matita, PRO, Arnives D. Sinahon, and another PRO, Emery D. Pagpag. Grade 1 General, President, Claire Gabiani, Vice President, Mark Anthony Luca,
Nakasugod ka, te?
Secretary, Marisa G. Pitalcurin, and Treasurer, Maria Cristina C. Brelas,
Grade 1 naman.
Marisa A. Y.
Wala ka na apil.
PRO, Roy R. Estrera, and another PRO, Bernadine Vargamento. Grade 1 Smart, Advisor, Emily M. President, Jardine M. Monfredo, Vice President, Neveline Q. Caldero, Secretary, Legal East, Treasurer, Joanne D. Italiano, Auditor, Melanie Galinato, PRO, Marilo Flores, and another PRO, Allen Quiroga. Grade 1 Simplicity,
Na ang feedback ko itong
Advisor, Miss Vivian Fernandez. President, Marie Natalie Blanco. Vice President, Mildred S. Politico. Secretary, Carol M. Owanga. Treasurer, Maricel S. Bracero. Auditor, Maria Gurley G. Piloton. PRO, Christy L. Noynay. And Sergeant of Arms, Fatima L. Flores. Grade 2, Adorable. Advisor, Mildred D. Abelio. Vice President, Emily A. Secretary, Darcelisa A. Muhilio. Glony P. G. Amarado. Auditor, Janet P. Almero. PRO, Lemuel David P. Tabar. Grade 2, Smith. Advisor, Rhea May P. McLeod. President, Emmeline L. Villarreal. Vice President, Jeffrey A. Ruelo. Secretary, Jocelyn A. Largo. Treasurer, Lisa A. Anton. Auditor, RD L. Quinziri. And PRO, Mary Ann P. Hortales. And Sergeant at Arms, Diosdada M. Ramirez. Grade 2, Patient. Advisor, Rosaluna A. Titico. President, Ardeline Arnoza. Vice President, Maricel Bracero. Secretary, Fatima Flores Aguilera. Treasurer, Norma Comendador. Auditor, Rina Lee Halandoni. PRO, Florme Wood. Another PRO, Charmaine Shane Denkin, and Sergeant at Arms Celine Lapo. Grade 2, Sincerity. Advisor, Ezra P. Solo. President, Robert Magsayo. Vice President, Edna Linaman. Secretary, Jeline Escanilan. Secretary, Grace Tulid. Treasurer, Vigil and F. Amelia. Auditor, Haj Sumarago Francisco. PRO, Julius Rodriguez. Vice Auditor, Sergeant at Arms, Analog Amor, and Delria Delgado. Okay, definitely. Can I request everyone to mute your microphone at the time? Isang mute Ma'am Cherry, Ma'am Janet, can you mute your microphone, please? Ma'am Marilo Perez, can you mute your microphone? Ma'am Cherry Rosal, can you mute your microphone, please? Okay, grade 3, Equivalent. Rona Carolasan. Vice President, Maureen Flores. Secretary, Elsie Antilago. Treasurer, Mona Lisa Pulinar. Auditor, Leo M. Coyo. PRO, Allen Quiroga. Sergeant of Arms, Sandy R. Ulitre. Grade 3, Mike. Advisor, Mary Jane M. Mahalo. President, Lordin Mano. Vice President, Elisa L. Akata. Secretary, Emily Becker. Treasurer, Madeline Camargo. Auditor, Semar Anala. PRO, Melanie Heraset, and Sergeant at Arms, Stella Calava. Grade 3 Nobility. President, Annalisa Balsa. Vice President, Marie Natalie Blanco. Secretary, Alma Pilar. Treasurer, Jacqueline Marababo. Auditor, Rosalinda Pinito. PRO, Helen Panilagaw. And Sergeant at Arms, Rosalina Patambo. Grade 3 Unity. Advisor, Rugeline L. Ortizela. President, Emilia C. Fernani. Vice President, Rosemary Rosas. Secretary, Jutan Sagaga. Treasurer, Uri Casuila. Auditor, Marites Angkan. PRO, Elsa Marson and Stacy Delgado. Grade 4 Bravery. Advisor, Miguelito L. Vasquez. President, Joy C. Lasdose. Vice President, Ardelie O. Arnoldo. Secretary, Mary Chris. Treasurer, Annalyn S. Igot. Auditor, Jennifer Gomez. PRO, Abigail M. Ginag. Another PRO, Loida Amadina. Sergeant at Arms, Lemuel D. Abar, and Rovilyn L. Igo. Grade 4 Delete. Advisor, Charmaine Iglesias. President, Melanie Darinati. Vice President, Mercy U. Marababo. Secretary, Maria Edel May Mayor. Treasurer, Christy C. Torrigosa. Auditor, Vera F. Sinai. PRO, Richie Pulutan and Emily Suburan. Five Candid. Advisor, Nelly C. Calandria. President, Johanna Marie de Los Angeles. Vice President, Napoleon Cuyos. Secretary, Richelle N. Fuentes. Treasurer, Janet Burton. Auditor, Allen Q. Mangubat. PRO, Erlinda A. Tauro. Thelma V. Mangubat. Sergeant at Arms, Lizelle Dadan. Grade 5 Chastity. Advisor, Lucita P. Cataraha. President, Ian G. Fernandez. Vice President, Barcelisa Z. Istola Luga. Secretary, Juanita J. Kindo. Treasurer, Vivian R. Liguro. Auditor, Marcia D. Carrion. PRO, Clarinet D. Pata. Marilu Flores. Sergeant at Arms, Ray M. Cuyos. And Condrado V. Versaga. Grade 5 Truth Advisor Lona Dane R. Formes. President Queenie Ann Dolorido. Vice President Helen Alvero. Secretary Glenn Ulita. Treasurer Maria Edel Mayor. Auditor Marilo Matugas. PRO Liven Arnoza. Janessa Coloma. Sergeant at Arms Noreen Flores and P. Jane Abani. Okay, I think nawala ang screen. Just a moment. So you i-present pa nimo?
Present to balik sa akin, bro.
Automatic siya. Grade 6 na ta. Charity.
Automatic siya, ma'am.
Ha? Grade 6 charity na ta, sir, you. Grade 6 Charity Advisor Joanne C. Clarin. President Filipina T. Garces. Vice President Harold Agkang. Secretary Elmi Mayo. Treasurer Jonda Tibon. Auditor Gina Conde. PRO Flor Ophelia J. Dinto. Sergeant at Arms Respi C. Telen. Grade 6 Grace Advisor Lorita C. Go. President Romeo B. Gigantana. Vice President Roy Arthur Suzon. Secretary Elenita G. Cabrera. Treasurer Gemma Abarca. Auditor Salina Pinuti. PRO Liven B. Arnoza. And Sergeant at Arms Grade 6 Meekness Advisor Arlene A. Montano. President Manol D. Romero. Vice President Nelia S. Harabe. Secretary Jasmine Munghit. Treasurer Jennifer Gomez. Auditor Melissa D. Dion. Rosemary Rosal and Anna Jane A. Cadiz. Sergeant at Arms Bernie Anislagon and Napoleon Puyos. Grade 6 Verity President Advisor Elmita M. Villamor. President Michael Mauricio. Vice President Cristina Cuyopa. Secretary Charity M. Montejo. Treasurer Raquel F. Delphine. Auditor Joanne Espinoza. PRO Eldeliza Leticio and Aya Herosa. Thank you very much. At this part, really elected for the school year 2020-2021. At this juncture, may I request the GPTA officers and homeroom PTA officers to stand up And please raise your right hand and look at the text on your screen. Once again, I request PPTA officers and board of directors and whom PTA officers stand, and please raise your right hand and look at the text on your screen. May I request our ever-supportive Barangay Captain Jesus Neri Sr. to do the honors, please, as the inducting officer. Cap?
Maklaro ra ka? Basi gamay ra. Di ka
Okay.
klaro sa
Okay na, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tindog.
General Parent Teachers Association of 2020-2021. Repeat after me. I name
I, Raquel F. Delfin, user
decision ninyo do hereby claim that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my position
class
I have said and clearly good. And I will abide by the guidelines setting the parent decision. Such one position that I will constituted
to help the
constituted authorities that I have imposed the obligation on myself voluntarily without intervention so help me God. Congratulations official sang mga maestro pinanguluhan sa atong principal Maria Iglinas Casa. Sa atong mga maestra diya,
Very much Cap. And
welcome.
okay, so ako ihangin na sad sa makausang atong mga students or guests or even teachers na wala nag-mute sa ilang microphone. Please go mute. Si Sir Irvin Abukay, ako lang ning i-mention ha. Si Ma'am Marilo Flores, wala siya nag-mute hapon. Palihog og mute, ma'am. Salamat, daghang salamat. Okay, at this juncture, I would like to request the faculty officers also to stand up and raise your right hand for the induction. And may I request again our barangay captain to do the honors. Dili sir, ibalik move more pa kana lang.
Kena.
Sure, faculty officers.
Faculty Association Mayor Memorial Elementary School. Out of office I
Villa.
been elected.
Mayor is Fortuna Memorial Elementary School. Having been elected
President.
as the Assistant Secretary,
That I will faithfully discharge
and I will faithfully discharge
care that
to
I
the
will
best of my
to the
ability,
best of my
Best of my
ability,
ability.
the duties of my present position
the duty
the duties and present position
that I have read and clearly understood,
that
that
I
I
have
have read and clearly
Really
understood,
understood.
and I will abide by the guidelines
I will
governing the
abide the
Fitness
guidelines.
Association
and
I will
I
abide
will
by the guidelines regarding the Teachers Association
and such issuances by the Department of Education
and such issuances by the Department of Education,
that I will obey all
that
legal
all
orders
And I will obey the
legal orders
dictated by the duty constituted
will be
authorities,
constituted.
authorities
and that I impose the obligation
impose this
I
obligation
impose the obligation
upon myself
voluntarily,
voluntarily
upon myself
without
voluntarily
mental
without mental
reservation
reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
of
Help
evasion.
God.
So help
Help me
me
God.
God.
Congratulations sa atong mga Faculty Association of Mayors Fortuna Memorial. Congratulations ni mga pakpak.
Thank you very much, Cap. And at this juncture, we will hear a message from our barangay captain. This is Mary Senior.
Mayong buntag natong tanan sa atong mga
Morning, Cap.
sa mga PTE officers nga for the first time na mao ko man nahitabo nga virtual nga to nya ang ato lang sa gihapon sa atong mga PTE official magtinabang ita uban sa Giso Barangay Council ang lambuan sa ato ang eskwelahan usab sa atong mga maestro nga kinahanglan doon na gyud tay pagtinabangay para gyud malambo ta sa ato sang mga estudyante karon nga naminaw tinabangay gyud para atong makabot ang ato ang gustong kabuton. Buwan ako, daghang salamat sa atong mga maestro pinanguluhan sa ato ang principal, Ma'am Maria Elena Sintasa. Sa ato sa dihang mga opisyalis, sa ato ang mga maestro diha. Okay. God bless natong tanan.
God bless.
Thank you very much, Cap. And at this juncture, we will hear a message from our barangay councilor, Honorable Lydia Espina. A round of applause, please.
Good day to the principal, Mrs. Maria Elena Santasas, Assistant Principal, Mr. Luis Sandal, faculties, parents, faculties and parents of Mayor A.S. Fortuna Elementary School. First of all, akong pasalamat sa invitasyon paghatag og message karong adlaw. Ako di ay ang ilaha ni Konsehal Gladisa Espina. Ako ni puli niya isip konsehal kaya naa naman siya sa DepEd as a youth formation officer. Ako ang Committee on Education. Dili layo alam kanako kini committee kay ako retired teacher ng SAP. Kung unsa man ang inyong mga panginahanglan, pahibaw alang ako kay ako andam mutabang because I know how important education is. That is the only treasure we can give to our children that cannot be taken away from and your role as a teacher is very vital in making a bright future for our children. More power and God bless to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you have enough for your message. Leadership is about vision and responsibility, not power. It is a responsibility towards yourself, towards your team, and towards others for the betterment of your organization. When you take position of leadership, you have to take responsibility. Whether you accept it or not, the responsibility is on you. They elected you because they believed that you are capable. Once again, congratulations to our newly elected officers this school year 2020-2021. Teachers are not merely teaching, making grades, or crafting modules. Teachers are very talented as well. They can sing, they can dance. And to prove it, help me welcome the selected talented teachers of MUSS for their dance number. Maayo gid is ng Masaya. Let's give them a virtual round of applause, please. Thank you very much, teachers of MUSS FMS, for your dance presentation. At this point, may I call in Mr. Michael Moricho, the outgoing GPTA president, for the proper turning over of the key of responsibility to the incumbent president. A round of applause, please. Sir Michael. Ma'am Ellen, nasa Michael, ma'am. Murag wala si Sir Michael, no? Okay, so I guess dito lang taaning sa kuan, acceptance. Murag basin wala kasulod si Sir Michael. To accept the challenge. Okay, to accept the challenge. And in our incumbent GPTA president, Rona Carulasan for her acceptance speech. A round of applause, please.
To our beloved Barangay Captain, Honorable Jesus Neri Senior, to our beloved Principal, Madam Maria Elena K. Sintasas, to our beloved Barangay Councilor, Honorable Lydia Espina, and to our faculty and staff, parents, good morning. On behalf of the General PTE officers, Board of Directors, Homeroom President, I am grateful to accept the position as a General PTA President of Mayor A.S. Fortuna Memorial Elementary School for the school year 2020-2021. Parents, teachers, association is a partner of the school. It is also served as an important platform to provide two-way communication between the school and parents. Sa ngalan sa akong mga kaubanan, among paningkamutan, kutob sa among mahimo, ang among pagsuporta sa eskwelahan. Bisan pa man, niining panahon sa pandemya. Pagsunod sa health protocol, paghatod og kuha sa mga module sa eskwelahan, og labaw sa tanan, ang kooperasyon o koordinasyon sa mga ginikanan ug magtutudlo og labaw sa atong kaugalingon. Daghang salamat ug maayong buntag.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Rona, for accepting the responsibility. And I know, rest assured, that we teachers of Mayor A.S. Fortuna Memorial Elementary School will give our 100% support to the GPTA officers and as well as the HRPTA officers. Okay, magtinabangay lang yun ta. And at this juncture, another intermission will be given to us by our diva, school diva, Ma'am Jean Angkia.
I'm nothing special, in fact, I'm a variable. If I don't know, I'll probably turn it.
Huling nga, siguro niya,
But I have time to understand. Everyone listening, I'm sorry to say now. All I want you to about no one say thank you for you to do sometimes again. Don't break don't you know it out and asking all my heart is what would that be? We have take it all. What a life, what a dream. Song singing, and for all the joy of bringing. Who can give it up? I can't hold on. See what would that be? Freedom, power, and far away. So happy, thank you for the music, giving it to me. So happy, thank you for the music, giving it to me. Thank you for the music.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Jean, for that wonderful song. Of course, we will be grateful and thankful for all the music. Okay? And now, ladies and gentlemen, to give us the closing remarks for this ceremony, may I call in Mr. Moises E. Mendelico, our faculty president. A round of applause, please.
Hello once again. Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Tag.
Good morning, Pre.
Good morning. So to our principal, Mrs. Elena Kisintasas, to our barangay captain, Honorable Jesus Sineri, to our newly elected officers, teachers, the parents, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the Massiveness faculty, I would like to express my gratitude to the committee of these virtual inductions of officers who made this program possible, to our principal for her full support to make this program possible, to Ms. Francis Ann Kahis, Our Lady of Ceremony, for making the PowerPoint presentation, and to all the teachers for taking part of this virtual induction officers. To our barangay captain, Honorable Jesus Sineri, for his full support and cooperation in every activity that undertake in our school. Thank you so much, Pat. And once again, good morning to all, and have a blessed Sunday to all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sir M, for that closing remarks. And we come to an end already. Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is a progress. And working together is our success. We will work hand in hand for our learners despite the odds that we are facing right now. Thank you so much, everyone, for giving your time today. Your presence is highly appreciated. This is Miss Francis Ann F. Kahis, your host, saying magandang buhay and advance Merry Christmas. Hey!
Advance Merry
Take a
Christmas.
picture. Oh, take a picture pa di ay.
For a while.
Sige, sir.
Sige, for a while, ma'am.
Sige, kindly open your cameras now. Kay mag-picture taking ta. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Not yet, not yet. Wait for a while.
O, pa di ay.
Okay, kanang tibuok tanan.
Sige, sige.
Tita Masud, 50 ra ka buok.
Sige lang.
We are 54. Ah.
Okay? Okay na?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Wala ko ka ba? Isa ka diot. 1, 2, 3. 1, isa ka diot, ha? Ay, labas ko to.
Basta magiging sa iyo.
1, 2, 3. Friend screen. Another 1.
Okay, another.
Okay, for a while sa, ha? Ay, isa for a while, for a while. Another one. Ready? Sus nami, 100. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Wala may kuan, mga kamera. Tayo sa nawa ang mga kamera. Ready? Open your cam.
Nara ko sa i-open akong cam.
Okay. Okay na, sir?
Okay, ready? Okay. Done. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, teachers and parents. Thank you, Kap.
Okay.
Thank you, Konsihal. Pina.
Konsihal.
Yeah.